What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce video file size with Clipchamp. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Clipchamp. After that, you will see the first official website of Clipchamp. Click on it and on your right side, click on the sign in button and sign in with your Gmail or email account. After that, you will be redirected to the homepage of Clipchamp. Now, click on this create a new video, and after that, you will come inside the editor part. Now, here what the actual work begins. So, first off, click on import media, and after that, select a video that you want to reduce the file size of, and then drag the video and drop it here this and click once so that it will drop here, and then on your right side click on export. Now after that click on export and you will see multiple sizes in which you can export your video like 720 pixels, 1080 pixels. So if you want to reduce your file size, you can choose from 480 pixels or 720 pixels. For now, I'll choose 720 pixels because it has written smaller file and faster export. Simply click on it and then you can connect it to OneDrive, Google Drive. You can even upload on YouTube. It can send it. And as you can see, I have downloaded my file and I'll just simply save it. So you can save it to your computer, Google Drive, upload on YouTube, save on Dropbox, LinkedIn, wherever you want you can. So this is how you can reduce the video file size with Clipchamp. That was all for this video guys. Thank you for watching.